In this video, I'm going to resolve an old-aged squabble between butter and margarine, and I will give you an incontrovertible proof that one is better than the other. Let's explore together. How do you do, guys? This is Surendran's YouTube channel sharing you a lot of inspiring and fascinating facts. If you are already here, please consider subscribe. What's the difference between butter and margarine, and which one is the best for you? Butter is a dairy product made from milk or cream. It's created when cream is vigorously churned, which causes its solids, butterfat, and liquids, buttermilk, to separate and ultimately results in the firm product we all know and love. It can easily be made at home. Margarine, on the other hand, is created primarily from plant oils which have similar but different chemical composition. Margarine is made through a complicated chemical process and therefore it cannot be made at home. But there are some actual differences that should be presented in front of your eyes to actually differentiate between butter and margarine. At first, is the kind of fat that used to make them. Butter is dairy product that made from animal fat which has high level of cholesterol and unsaturated fats, while margarine has polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats which are safe to be consumed, yet it contains some trans fat which is quite bad for human health. The composition of saturated fats in butter make a tightly packed bond which give them a rigid shape at room temperature before heat is applied. Second is their ingredients. Butters are natural and made up from fermented milk, water and milk proteins. Whether it's salted or unsalted, the flavor of good butter is second to none, and because of its basic ingredients and straightforward processing, it can easily be made at home. Margarines are not a natural product and therefore they don't have any dairy product, but instead they have vegetables, oils, emulsifiers and salt. Third is their processing. Butter products undergo separation and churning, shaking up cream or whole milk to make butter. The product will be pasteurized for 24 hours before churning and packaging process. Whereas margarine undergoes hydrogenation process, where chemically converting vegetable oils into semi-solid fats in the presence of metal catalysts like nickel or platinum. Fourth is their fats. Butters should be consist of at least 80% of fat before being sold commercially, and the remaining 20% is stemmed from milk protein and also water. Even though butter has higher percentage of saturated fats than margarine, those included in butter are mostly of omega-3 and omega-6. Margarine consists unsaturated fats yet contain trans fat which are not good for health. Finally is the nutrition facts. Well, neither butter nor margarine is healthy, but presence of some important nutrients like omega-3 and omega-6 are essential for human brain and health. Margarine only contains traceable amount of vitamins. The fact here is butter is natural and minimally processed compared to margarine. Friends, I think I've made it short and simple regarding today's topic. Suggest me a topic for my next video and drop that in the comment section. Share my video if you like it, and we educate the community, we rise by lifting others. Thank you. Thanks for checking out my video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, keep crushing it and we will talk soon.